Are you tired of long DMV lines and confusing paperwork? At MHZ Auto in Tracy, California, we make vehicle registration simple, fast, and hassle-free. Welcome to MHZ Auto, your trusted dealership specializing in DMV registration services. Whether you're buying a car, renewing your tags, or handling a title transfer, we've got you covered. We offer a range of DMV services including vehicle registration and renewal, title transfers, out-of-state registration, replacement stickers and plates, temporary operating permits, no appointments needed and no long waits. Skip the frustration of the DMV. At MHZ Auto, we provide fast processing, get it done in minutes, friendly service, our team is here to help, affordable pricing, competitive rates without hidden fees. Getting started is easy. Bring your documents to our office. We handle the paperwork while you relax. Walk out with your registration done. It's that simple. Don't waste time at the DMV. Visit MHZ Auto in Tracy today and let us take care of your vehicle registration. Hassle-free. Call us now or stop by. We're ready to help.